Alright, so if you watched my last video, I'm down here in St. Pete and I was sailing J70s with Warrior Sailing all week, having an amazing experience. So there's a boat show that's going on, so I figured, what the heck, I'd stay down here for the boat show and check that out. And got a surprise. Look who joined me. And I promise everyone, we won't buy a boat.
No boats. We have enough. Yeah.
And we're walking.
And we're walking, and we're walking, and we're walking.
Getting our steps in.
Oh, look at those Christmas ornaments.
So here we are right on the waterfront of beautiful St. Pete, and all the parks are decorated for Christmas.
I really feel the need to park somewhere close here.
As I'm looking at boats, Julie's been spending a lot of time here in this tent.
Those dark and stormies, I tell ya.
Yeah.
They're really good salespeople in there. They say, do you want one more? Well, yes, I do.
So this is the new Catalina 35.5, brand new version of Archer. So we'll have to check it out, see how that compares. Already I'm seeing not as much character. It's shiny. Probably all the lights work. It's got new sails. It does have a shiny anchor. Oh, it's got a self-tacking jib. It's got end-mast main, so losing some power there. I think Archer might be able to beat this in a race. What do you think?
Archer would kick ass in a race with this thing.
I'm not a fan of this one. Like, I feel like that table is totally in the middle. This is absolutely in the middle. Everything feels very squeezed in here.
Well, this is a 30-footer.
Oh, I definitely have 2-foot-itis right now.
I think you got...
Well, 6-foot-itis.
You got 6-foot-itis.
Yeah, you can definitely feel the size difference.
Yeah. If you read that note behind you.
It said don't sit on the bed. It says nothing about doors.
Really?
Cabinets? Oh, shit.
Someone just learned to read.
After a beautiful day at the boat show, we hopped in the car to head south over the Skyway Bridge towards Cape Coral.
So here's the little beach right down the road from the hotel. Not too shabby. Everybody's got their lawn chairs out, getting ready to watch the sunset.
I found my island! My island, stay up! I'll survive, I promise I will. And I'm so close to civilization.
Yeah.
But yet I am on my own.
Hey.
Hey.
I love you.
I love you.
See, even if I got it the first time, I got extra kisses. That's how that works.
Island, you're going away. Island, come back. I miss you already. Come back, Island. Island, I miss you so much.
A new day means a new adventure. Today we went out paddleboarding. Looked on Google, found a great little shop in Cape Coral. They set us up with some pretty neat paddleboards and pointed where the best mangrove trails were.
we are going in. Oh, I probably got the backpack all wet. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
What are you
Oh, jeez.
doing?
Ah, scratched the heck out of my neck. That didn't work.
What are you doing?
Obviously, she can shit. After getting my ass kicked by a local mangrove tree, I went ahead, picked myself up, fished out all my camera equipment from the water. Luckily, it was only about 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep. Got back up on the board and headed off again. Had an awesome day paddleboarding. Got Carson and Wade here from Gulf Coast Kayaks. These guys were awesome. Got us hooked up with some great paddle boards. But if you're into kayaks, they got those too. So if you're in Cape Coral, they will absolutely take care of you. And they're supporting the military, giving a military discount.
Right.
So, awesome guys.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you
so much, man. I appreciate it, bro. All right, cool.
A free coconut.
Where do you see free coconuts?
Do you like my coconuts?
So we're gonna go down to the end of the street and Julie's gonna try to break open a coconut. This may not end well.
Watch your face.
Got a crack. Nice crack.
Oh, use your hands. You did it.
I'm not eating that.
Oh, that looks decent. What is that?
But no kidding, that was a coconut.
Well, what did you think it was? Hey, so we rented a little Hobie for like an hour just to run out. I think the winds are only like 5 to 10 knots, so it's not gonna be like super fast or anything, but we are gonna kind of go up and down this little shore of Captiva Island. So that's our little excursion for the day. I think it's gonna be kind of cool just to get out and do a little something fun. The sun is so warm. It's about 81 today. Water is freezing though, so hopefully we don't fall in. But anyway, here's our little Hobie so far. He's setting it up, getting everything going. Kind of exciting. Oh, I'm driving. Hell yeah. Watch out, baby. You're letting me drive this. This is like Titanic, but better. I'm surfing.
You are surfing. As the day progressed, the winds died, and the Hobie quickly became one of the funnest but yet slowest forms of transportation on the water. So we traded in the Hobie for one of the smallest, but yet funnest forms of transportation on the road. Hey baby, wanna ride?
Yeah, I do.
Just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this. And totally redeem yourself!
So, on land, Julie has problems parking. She's got the world's smallest clown car and still found a way to do it wrong and take up 2 spots. We don't want door dings, right, babe?
No door dings. Can't afford that. There's a security deposit on this thing.
We finished the day cruising around Sanibel and Captiva Island in our little clown car. It was a great way to end our little vacation in sunny Florida. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to know when we're posting new videos. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
You're not supposed to be in the shot yet.